Good morning, everybody. Stretching. I hope everyone's having a good day. I just woke up, but my babies are still sleeping. It's been raining nonstop here, and not just like a little bit of rain where it's kind of fun to go play in, but it's like lashing, pouring down rain. I also wanted to show you guys the house that we really liked. You know, the perfect house. Anyways, this is the living room, or the reception room as they call it. Here's the kitchen, and I love that it's this open plan kitchen. There's space here where the mouse is, where you can put your where you can sit and eat, which would be really good having little kids because it's not over carpet. Here's the bedroom, good size. Another good sized room. Great sized bathroom with a nice big tub for bathing 2 kids as they get older. A nice sized backyard. Another thing that I really liked about it was that it was private. So a lot of times you'll have backyards that all these other people can see into, and that kind of freaks me out. So I just like this. I liked that it has all these trees and it's really private and just a really beautiful yard. Hallways. Upstairs hallway. And that's it. That house would be ours, no doubt about it. It would totally be ours, but we live in the real world. We've definitely found other homes and things that would work, but it just wouldn't be ideal with 2 kids. Hi. You want mommy to hug you?
Okay.
Okay. Hold on, let me get my baby. You have your cars. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Good morning, my love. Good morning. My baby. Mwah. You're my baby. You're my baby still.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, sleeping still. You can sit with mommy. We can talk about what to get you for breakfast, huh? What would you like? What do you want for breakfast?
Eggs.
You want eggs?
Oh, cool. Okay.
Okay.
Eggs.
Okay, we'll get you some eggs, but first let's change your diaper, okay? We're looking at the screen.
Yeah.
You see yourself?
Yeah. Move the car.
Get your car. It fell down?
Okay. Move the egg.
You're so perfectly snuggly. I can't believe you're 2. Let's get our breakfast on, huh?
Okay.
Okay. He is having the time of his life right now. Woo! It's definitely raining, but luckily the baby carrier is waterproof. Jump! And he is as protected as he's gonna be. He's got his machosen on, his rain jacket. That's a big puddle. We have the cover for the stroller. He's got an umbrella. I have an umbrella. He's lucky this road doesn't have much traffic. Wow. Jump! This is probably going to be our activity for the next week. Yeah, you're jumping in puddles. Puddle, jump! We have the German flag flying. You see a lot of that when you have soccer championships of sorts, like the World Cup, and right now it's the European Championship. So this is when you see a lot of the German flags flying. Otherwise you don't really see it. So that's kind of different than in the States. But yeah, that's the German flag. Jump. Oh my gosh.
Mommy.
Yep. I know. Woohoo! Look at this little boy playing in the street, in the rain. Woo! Papa's umbrella! Here comes the car! Oh yay. Man, it is so rainy. Right, yeah. Woo! Oh my goodness. Whoa. Alright, well, I saw sunshine today. Huh? Alright, we're going home, Callum. I don't understand this weather. Can you understand this? I don't get this weather at all. It is so sunny outside, I can't even explain it. So sunny. Come on, we're gonna go home though, honey, okay? Because it's starting to thunder. Alright, so maybe this is not a good idea. Meanwhile, she's snoozing. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go! Jeez. Oh, okay. Alright, let's go, Callum! Oh my God. Come on! Come on! No, come on, Callum! Oh, he doesn't want to go. I know, Callum, we gotta go though. It's starting to thunder. Oh my geez. We're stuck in a rainstorm. Callum, come on!
Okay.
Oh my God. Callum, we have to go!
Callum.
Come on! And now look at the weather. I don't... This is the weirdest rainstorm ever.
Really?
You know, as soon as we get to the playground, it's gonna go nuts again. Look, we don't even need, it's totally stopped. But there's a huge cloud right here. I don't know.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
What do you think, bud? And now he pulls out his umbrella now that it's not raining anymore. All right, let's go, sweetie.
Whoa! We want those.
And so off we go, part 2, to the playground. It's so crazy because while we were sitting having dinner, I said, you know, we really ought to get Callum outside again today, because when he was outside earlier today, he was just walking with me, and he's been talking about the slide. And then we started walking, and it was like, it started pouring down rain. Well, it started raining, but I mean, we have umbrellas and jackets, and rain is not really an issue. But then it just started getting like scary raining, like thunder and lightning and stuff. Say hi, Papa Bear.
Hi. Nuts, no?
Doesn't matter to him. Whee! 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 That was fun, huh? You got caught in a rainstorm. That was funny.
He doesn't care.
About rain?
Yeah.
No. Though it feels so good right now, doesn't it? Like right now, this is perfect weather.
2 or 3 degrees more and...
It's too hot. Really? See, this is my perfect weather. Just a light jacket. Oh, this is just so beautiful right now. It's hard to believe that 3 minutes ago it was raining. Pasit. He says passiert for passiert. Come on. I wonder how fast he's gonna go on this because his pants are a really fast material. Okay, and go.
2, 3. Los.
Go. Oh, that was not fast. You're so funny. Hold on, because it's wet. Ah, doch. Is that what he just said to me? Seriously, thank goodness for these pants.
Komm los.
Whee! Do it. Do it. Woo! Good job, Papa Bear. Seesaw, seesaw, seesaw.
Wippe, ist am Wippen.
Those little smiles, the best. Seesaw, seesaw, seesaw.
He's trying so hard.
I know. He's doing a good job. Oh yeah, because you're not even doing it. He's doing a good job. Seesaw, seesaw. Seesaw, seesaw, seesaw. Look at that smile.
I know. I'm his brother.
You know?
Wippe.
It's good. It's good. It's all good.
Gut.
It's good. Owie. Owie.
You have an owie?
9.
9?
9. Got owie. It's good. It's all alone.
Are you doing this all alone? All by yourself? No. This time Papa's helping you, huh? It's more fun when you have someone on the other side, huh? Everyone else is asleep and I'm about to go to bed myself because looks like the camera battery is flashing, so I need to go charge it and just call it a night. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.